This fence board is bowed to the left, so I want to push it to the right, so I wedge those two boards in there to push it over to the right while I put a screw in there. Now I've got that last set of posts in there. I put 2 posts in there because I'm going to reconfigure that gate. And I got the last set of horizontal boards, so I'm in the final stretch, home stretch, of repairing this gate. So last year I started this fence from the corner of that sloping shed on the other house, that tin metal roof there. I went from there over to there. And about a week after I finished it, the next door neighbor put up a block wall. Okay. This year I rebuilt this fence from the corner of the shed here and took it all the way over there. And of course, just as I almost got done, the neighbor next door his house was sold and they put up a block wall. So here there's some concrete from the footing of that block wall. I've got to cut that out. You can see there it's going to be in the way of my boards there. So I'm going to cut about 2 inches of that. It's not going to affect the wall up to there where I set my other 2 posts. So I'm going to use an angle grinder to cut that concrete out so I can get the vertical fence boards in there. And these 2 posts here, that was going to be my posts for the gate. But since they extended the block wall, the neighbors did, well, I can make use of this. So I'm going to, when we stuck on the house, well, I took the gate down, but I'm going to push the gate farther away from me here. Like there's the corner of the house over there where the carport is. So I'm going to put a gate somewhere in there. So because of the neighbor's block wall, we're going to acquire some more outdoor storage here.